trapped in this scheme, lost among the fists, just caught in a cruel dream. Oh IKEA, you're a siren, both a curse and a charm. Your endless aisles are a labyrinth with an alluring alarm. Love and frustration in this store were entwined, every twist and turn a test of will and mind. I'm stuck in IKEA where the fantasy's real. I'm tangled in your mazes, can't escape what I feel. With every aisle I wander, I'm caught in your design. Love and hate collide in this oversized shrine. Every aisle a battlefield, every display a fight. I'm drawn to your allure, but I'm losing sight. Found my bandmates in the chaos, part of this game. Together we're entangled in IKEA's frame. Oh IKEA, you're a siren, both a curse and a charm. Your endless aisles are a labyrinth with an alluring alarm. Love and frustration in the store were entwined, every twist and turn a test of will and mind. I'm stuck in IKEA where the fantasy's real. I'm tangled in your mazes, can't escape what I feel. With every aisle I wander, I'm caught in your design. Love and hate collide in this oversized shrine. We're the rebels of the showroom, fighting through the night. With every twist of the maze, we're reaching for the light. From flat parts to the furniture, we're wrestling the charm. Struggling through the aisles, escaping IKEA's arm. I'm stuck in IKEA where the fantasy's real. I'm tangled in your mazes, can't escape what I feel. With every aisle I wander, I'm caught in your design. Love and hate collide in this oversized shrine. Weathery, we emerge, leaving this dream behind, with a bittersweet farewell and a peace of mind. IKEA, you're a siren, both enchanting and cold. In your maze we found strength and a story bold. Out of IKEA with scars of your design, leaving behind the maze with a love that's redefined. Every step we took was a battle to find the way out of this maze and the strength of the mind.